Hi kids, ang lesson natin ngayon ay cube of binomial. Example number 1. 2m plus 1 cube. Pag positive, ang formula natin, a cube plus 3a squared b plus 3ab squared plus b cube. Yan ang ating formula. Next na gagawin natin, susundan natin itong mga steps. First step, cube the first term. Ang first term natin si 2m. Ibig sabihin ng cube, pagka-times natin siya ng 3 beses. 2 times 2 equals 4, times 2 equals 8. I-copy natin si m, cube. Copy natin si plus. Second step, square the first term times the second term times 3. Pag square, ibig sabihin, pagta-times natin siya ng dalawa. Si first term siya si 2m. Si second term siya naman si 1. Ang first term natin si 2m. 2 times 2 equals 4m squared. Times 1 equals 4. Times 3 equals 12. M squared. I-copy natin ulit si plus. Third step. Square the second term times the first term times 3. Ang second term natin si 1. 1 times 1 equals 1. Ang first term naman natin si 2. 1 times 2 equals 2. Times 3 equals 6. Tapos i-copy natin si m. I-copy ulit natin si plus. First step, cube the second term. Ibig sabihin ng cube, pagtatimesin natin siya ng 3 beses. Ang second term natin si 1. 1 times 1 equals 1 times 1 equals 1. Ang total ng sagot natin, 8m cubed plus 12m squared plus 6m plus 1. Sample number 2. 5x minus 2y cubed. Dahil minus, ang formula natin, a cubed minus 3ab squared plus 3ab squared minus b cubed. Yun ang ating formula. Next na gagawin natin, susundan natin itong mga steps. First step, cube the first term. Ang first term natin si 5x. Ibig sabihin ng cube, pagta-times natin siya 3 beses. 5 times 5 equals 25 times 5 equals 125. X times 3 equals x cubed. I-copy natin si minus. Second step, square the first term times the second term times 3. Ibig sabihin square, pagta-times natin siya 2 beses. Ang first term natin si 5x. At ang second term naman natin si 2y. 5 times 5 equals 25. X times x equals x squared. Next, times 2y. 25 times 2 equals 50. Copy natin si x squared at saka si y. Times 3. 50 times 3 equals 150. At i-copy na natin si x squared at saka si y. Negative times negative equals positive. Third step, square the second term times the first term times 3. Ang second term natin si 2y. 2 times 2 equals 4. Y times y equals y squared. Times the first term. 5 times 4 equals 20. I-copy natin si x at saka si y squared. Times 3 equals 60. I-copy natin si x at saka si y squared. Yun ang ilalagay natin dito. I-copy natin si negative. Fourth step, give the second term. Ang second term natin si 2y. 2 times 2 equals 4 times 2 equals 8. Y times y equals y squared times y equals y cubed. 125x cubed minus 150x squared y plus 60xy squared minus 8y cubed. Yan ang sagot natin.